Hello everybody, my name is Jacqueline and in today's video I have the brand new Emotionproof concealer by Tom Ford. We're gonna put it in the shopping block, and I literally say in the shopping block, just to see how it will do with tears, allergies, how does it wear. But before we get started, please consider to subscribe to my channel, ring that little notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new videos. Now, if you want to see if this high-end concealer is worth the money, we're gonna put it to the proof right now. I just picked up this Tom Ford Emotionproof concealer, and I'm very excited to see if it stands to its claim. You can get it at Nordstrom, Tom Ford Beauty, as well as Neiman Marcus. It retails for a whopping price of $54, and it comes with 7 ml, which is not a lot in comparison to, for example, the Born This Way concealer that comes with 15 ml, the coveted Tarte Shape Tape that comes with 10 ml. Also, I have right here the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and this friend comes with 8 ml. So the Tom Ford is about the same size of the Fenty Beauty, just a little bit less. And then we have the Magic Away Concealer by Charlotte Tilbury, and this comes with 4 ml, so this comes with very little product. Now this concealer comes in 12 different shades. I got the shade number 3.0, which is pale nude, and I just and here are some swatches. This is the Tom Ford in pale nude, emotion proof. Then I have the Born This Way concealer in light beige. Third one, I have the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. Then I have the Pro Filter concealer by Fenty Beauty in shade 235, and last I have the Magic Away liquid concealer in the shade number 6 medium. And now let's get started with the application. Now the doe foot applicator, I just wanted to show to you, it's kind of a slanted. I don't know if you can take a look right there, and it's a very thin type of applicator. Now the shade that I got is shade number 3 in pale nude. Okay, the formula seems to be a very thin formula. It's not a thick formula at all. I actually have to say that I like the applicator because it deposits enough product, not too much, not too little, and you have still control of it. I'm just putting a little bit more because I have really bad dark circles, mostly right now with my allergies. My dark circles are very obvious. Now the color, I have to say that it's a little bit too light for me, but I think all of that can be fixed with a little bit of setting powder. There you go. Now I'm going to be using on my left side a Sephora concealer brush in the number 67. So I will suggest maybe trying a brush more than a blender. Both applications have been fine. They give me the same result. Now I'm just gonna set one side of my face with this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish setting powder, and then I'm gonna leave this side here without setting it. Now I'm just gonna set my eyelid because I'm gonna go with shadows after this, but then I'm gonna leave my under eye unset, and then I'm just gonna set this area right here where my pores are, right it there. So I'm not setting on my under eyes where my fine lines are. The reason is because I want to see if there's any amount of creasing that this concealer will do, whether it's still setting or not. The time now on my phone is 4:58 in the afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup separately, and then I will come back and actually, I know this looks dangerous, but we're gonna do this. I'm gonna cut an onion. I do have allergies, so right now my nostrils and my eye areas, they are very sensible, and I'm sure I'm gonna be crying. And I wanna do a real test if this is emotion proof, if it will handle human tears. So if you want to see the results on that, just keep on watching. Okay, now that my makeup is all said and done, I actually filming for another video. I don't know if it's gonna go before or after these. When I left off at applying the concealer, I think it was like 4:30 something, and now it's 6:46 in the afternoon, and it has passed already 2 hours since I applied this concealer, and let me tell you something. I will have to say, let me get you some a little bit closer and personal. I'm here under the studio lights. I'm sweating like no other, honestly, but I'm surviving. So here I had applied the concealer with the sponge, and I had set it with my Charlotte Tilbury airbrush finishing powder, and it is staying pretty well. This eye right here, I applied it with a brush, and I did not set it, and oh my gosh, it did not crease. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it did not crease a bit at all, and I'm so impressed because every single concealer creases on me. I have a lot of fine lines out there, and I don't see any creasing on me. Nothing. Zero. Unset, no creasing. So right there, I'm very impressed. Now I have been dealing with a lot of allergies, and so I know that my nostrils right now, they are like really in bad shape, and my eyes have been tearing already, but I'm just gonna have fun and see how much I can cry and see if this concealer is really emotion proof. But you know what? I want real tears. No kidding. I didn't cut my finger. It's like you can tell the onions are just starting to get the juices out. I'm gonna cut it another second time. Okay, now that I'm shopping it, I'm not an actress, although I should be. Okay, I chopped my onion. Okay, I should let it cry. Should I chop more? Let's just keep chopping. Not shopping, well, shopping too, but chopping. My husband, I told him to bring onions at home. He thinks I must be cooking, but I'm not. I just try makeup for fun. I'm doing these proofs so you can enjoy ASMR. I cannot even open my eyes anymore. My lash is coming off. I'm also watching The Vita Bella. Is one of my favorite movies, and I'm getting really emotional. I don't know if you had watched this movie, but it's a beautiful movie. How it shows how much love a dad have for his child, and it's just so beautiful. This is the sad part where he gets killed. So now after watching that movie, I just have overcry, but there you go. My lashes are coming off. It's there. Let me just see. And I still have some onion right here. And you know what? The concealer is not moving. The eyeshadow has run down, but the concealer is perfectly fine. I don't know what type of formula this is, but it's amazing. And I'm sorry I cannot stop crying, but between the movie and Our Friendly Onion, anyhow, I cannot believe this Tom Ford Emotion Proof Concealer is so good. It's really not going anywhere. And, you know, these are real tears. So, yeah, it's Emotion Proof, 100% approved. The price is so expensive, but it's so good. It may be worth the money. I hope emotions come for happiness rather than sadness. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Until the next time, have a beautiful, wonderful day. And cry for happiness. Bye-bye.